Good day to whoever at the sound of my voice. I just want to do this quick video real quick to show people that have purchased the wormwood expeller formula from 3yevolve. I use it for my body. It's very beneficial and healthy. It's just very bitter. It's a bitter taste, and I'm not a fan of bitters, but I know bitters is good for the body, and I know bitters will help the body. Let me get into it. So I got 4 ingredients inside of this. It's in here, just an example. I got elecampane, I got wormwood, I got black walnut, and clove. That's 4 ingredients. What I do is set it inside my tea strainer, and they got other tea strainers out there, I'm sure, but I use mine's from 3yevolve. And what you do is you dump it into your tea strainer. You could put the lid on it if you want. You don't have to. You can just set it in the cup, but I'm gonna just put the lid on it. As you can see, this is the main part right here. This is like a half a cup of water. It's hot water in here. It's filled like halfway up. You don't have to fill it all the way up if you don't want to. If you want to, go ahead. But you gotta get through it too. Like, you gotta take it daily, like 4 tablespoons a day, like from this. 4 tablespoons if you want throughout the day. Me personally, I could just drink it and and be done for a few hours, then come back and drink it again. But I'm just showing y'all how it goes. And you set the tea strainer inside of the hot water. Now what it's gonna do is extract the chemicals from these plants. That's what it's gonna do. So you can wait like 5 minutes if you want, 6 minutes if you want. So as you can see, it's sitting inside of the strainer, extracting from the leaves and the plants. See, to turn the colors is extracting the chemicals out of it. So I'm gonna wait. Alrighty, 5 minutes been up. Now you see, there's the formula. It extracted from the plants. It's a brown color, brownish reddish color. 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. And then you saw the color. It's half full. Half full. You don't have to do a full cup. But if you do a half, get it in daily, 4 tablespoons throughout the day. 4 of them, I suggest 4 of them, because so here it is. This is a half a cup, right? So drink it. It's very bitter, like I said. It's disgusting, but I know it helps. Me personally, I do it raw. Y'all can put honey in it if you want, sugar cane, something like that. But or have, like, here's another suggestion. Grab some juice, like some healthy juice, to have it on the side if you want to avoid the bitter taste. That's a good thing to do too. Like, have something on the side once you take it. Have something on the side that's healthy. Whole juices, I suggest. Not no pop, ginger ale, loaded with high fructose corn syrup, and not no beer. If you could drink alcohol, shots, Don Julio's and whatever else y'all be drinking, like, I don't be knowing all that stuff, but that stuff is bitter too. That's alcohol. But I wouldn't suggest taking that with this, man. Get you some healthy juice on the side and drink this stuff. Get it in your system and start killing parasites, any foreign bacteria. These things live in our bodies and we don't even know. Like, we never was taught it. You know what I'm saying? We just get the symptoms. So that's 2. I did 2. The oils, the chemicals in the plants to aid our bodies. So we must know that. The goal is to empty this cup. You can put it in the refrigerator if you want to. You could leave it out, but get to it so you do half or full. It's your preference. 3yevolve. Oh yeah, and shout out to the people who once again bought the formula, who's investing in their health through 3yevolve. So we are exchanging. It's reciprocated energy. You are benefiting something, I am benefiting something. I do what I do because I have a desire to help myself and then help other people if they want it. That's the goal. We help each other, exchange. You know what I'm saying? If you know something I don't know, let me know. If I know something you don't know, I'm gonna let you know. That's how it is. This is how people grow. This is how people evolve. We help and support each other. It's not one way. It's never one way. In my world, it's not. So take care of yourselves. I evolve. I evolve.